Good afternoon, everyone. Just a short video for say massive thanks to Mark. Myself and my wife joined the Boostly Academy in November last year. At the time, we had one apartment that we were running. The reason for joining it really is we didn't really have any idea of the hospitality world. We're not in hospitality. We were running a successful apartment on Airbnb and Booking.com, but we wanted to increase our direct bookings, and we had other apartments that we also wanted to list. So we knew that we wanted to come away from getting these bookings via the other platforms and paying their commission. So it was really good to join the group. Some really great hints and tips. Mark pushes out some really good content. There's always the questions that are being asked in the Boostly group are really good. Someone always jumps on and answers them within a few minutes, or other people will point you in the right direction. Since joining Mark, we're now on apartment 5, one of which we don't even list on the other platforms and has been fully booked, totally commission free. We've taken all those bookings direct, and actually since joining Mark, we have taken over £36,000 in direct bookings. Before joining that, it was under £2,000. Obviously we have increased our apartment numbers, but a massive help has been for all the skills and the tools Mark's taught us along the way, which has been really helpful. So if you're on the fence thinking, oh, why should I join? Is it a waste of money, or am I going to get my money back? You absolutely will get your money back. We've got our money back and more, and we're very grateful for joining and grateful what Mark and his team have all pushed out and the training that they've delivered. So thanks, Mark, from me and Jules, Salisbury Apartments in Wiltshire.